The Classic Auto Mall has more than 1,000 vehicles for consignment in our huge 8-acre climate-controlled showroom. It's a real indoor mall. If you'd like to know all the advantages of buying and selling a car through consignment, the information is available on our website, or you can talk to a classic car specialist who can answer all your questions. It's easy, safe, and convenient, and it doesn't matter where you are, we sell worldwide. See our huge selection of classic and collectible vehicles at classicautomall.com.